K. Amritraj, Assistant Professor in Mechanical Engineering Department in Sedu Institute of Technology. So I have delivered a lecture about the transmission system in automobile engineering. So in this transmission system, the components are clutch, gearbox, propeller shaft, differential and rear axle. So what is transmission system? So in this transmission, the mechanism that transmits the power developed by the engine of the automobile to the driving wheel is called transmission system or the powertrain. So it is composed of clutch, gearbox, propeller shaft, universal joint, rear axle and wheel and tires. So the vehicle which have front wheel drive in addition include a second set of propeller shaft, universal joint, final drives and differential of the front units. So now we discuss about the first one, clutch. A clutch is a mechanism which enables the rotary motion of one shaft to be transmitted at will to second shaft whose axis is coincident with that of first. So clutch is located between engine and gearbox. When the clutch is engaged, the power flows from the engine to the rear wheels through the transmission system and the vehicle moves. When clutch is disengaged, the power is not transmitted to the rear wheels and the wheel stops while the engine is still running. So clutch is engaged only when the vehicle is to move and is kept engaged when the vehicle is moving. The simple diagram of clutch is displayed. Function. The function of clutch. The function of clutch is to permit engagement or disengagement of a gear when the vehicle is stationary and the engine is running. Next point, to transmit the engine power to the road wheels smoothly without jerks the transmission system while setting the vehicle in motion. Next one is to permit the engage of the gears when the vehicle is in motion without damaging the gear wheels. So these are the function of the clutch. Next one is characteristics of good clutch. The clutch must be simple to operate the clutch. So more power must be transmitted smoothly. Once clutch is engaged, it must transmit power without slipping. So next one is it must disengage accurately and quickly. So it must have good heat radiation properties. It must be well balanced during rotation. It must have long trouble free life. It must be easy to inspect